Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate another feature called View Analytics. Now this is an organization feature, so I have to go to the organization dashboard to explain you this feature. So I'll give the credentials and log into the organization dashboard. So this is the organization dashboard. So if I go to extra and click on organization or view analytics feature, this is the feature that I want to discuss. So if I click on view analytics, these are the four cards. The previous page showed an overview, but this is a detailed overview of the view analytics feature. It has four cards here. So the first card is percentage distribution of surveys by question type. So these question types are distributed as percentage calculations. So text has 18%, paratext has 18%, MCQ has 18%, checkbox is 9%, etc. of all the questions of all the surveys with regards to its organization. So this is how this card is calculated. So the second card is percentage distribution of survey states. These are the survey states: draft, waiting, live, and completed. So this percentage distribution is based on the survey states. So live is what percent, waiting is what percent, draft is what percent. For example, this shows live is 50% and waiting is 50%. There is no draft or completed surveys. So if I go to the third card, it shows percentage distribution of survey responses with respect to total survey responses. So this card calculates the percentage distribution of survey responses with respect to the total number of survey responses. So if the total number of survey responses is 100, and or let's say the total number of survey responses is 20, and I have only taken one survey response out of the 20 survey, so the percentage would be 1 by 20, or which is 5%. So that's why this survey shows 5% of the completion of total survey responses. So this is another card, which is the fourth card. It calculates percentage distribution of survey progress with respect to each survey. Now this card calculates the progress, the percentage progress. So it calculates with respect to each survey. For example, one survey, this survey has 20 responses, so or 20 target responses. This survey and only one response has been taken, so it's 5% survey progress. So the difference between card 3 and card 4 here is the total number of survey responses. This is basically related to all surveys within this organization. For example, if there are 10 surveys and each survey has a target survey response of 10, then there are 100 total survey responses available. So the percentage is based on that, and this is based on only one survey. So if one survey has, let's say, 5 survey responses and only one response has been taken, then the percentage would be 1 by 5, or which is 20%. So this is the main difference between card 3 and card 4. So these are the 4 cards here. So another feature that I want to show here is the documentation. So if I go to the help and click documentation from the drop down, so if I click on documentation, this shows the documentation of all the features. So this is basically a kind of written manual with image screenshots, and it explains all the details about these features. So this is quite a handy tool for user UI UX assistance. So it has a lot of details, so I hope you get it. So if I go back to the home page, so these are the two aspects that I wanted to highlight in this video. So thank you for watching.